tell me, what are you excited about at the moment?
I'm excited about giving birth to my business.
That's
Very, very excited, yes.
Alright, and when did you decide? When was the moment when you decided that you will do this range?
I decided it about 5 years ago. And I think it was important then to just decide when was the right time to do it. And I started working on it 18 months ago, but about 5 years ago I knew that it was something I wanted to do. Apart from the fact that the importance was for, I mean, even if you look at the packaging, the messaging on the packaging, you know, everybody has a language, express yours, to just feel pampered. I want people to feel, you know, there's nothing better than waking up, taking a bath and feeling like you've just walked out of a spa. You know, so I want people to feel pampered, and I want people to feel like they're taking care of themselves by simply taking a bath.
Yours is beautiful. So what are your secrets to staying fit?
Staying fit, physically.
Staying fit, physically.
I still train. Even though I'm expecting, I still train and try and keep active. So I'm staying active as I possibly can, as active as I possibly can. I eat as healthily as I possibly can. I don't always get it right, but I try and eat healthy. But I think most importantly is I stay mentally strong, because I think that is a big one. You know, when you are strong mentally, everything else falls into place. Just keeping my mental health is extremely important to me, you know, and that's why I'm so passionate about body language and power of the mind. Personally, I've been inspired by many women in my life. I mean, my dad was a great role model, but my mom was a phenomenal role model, and so was my grandmother, and so were my aunts, and so were many women in the industry locally and internationally who have, without knowing, you know, spoken into my life and encouraged me, inspired me. So I know the importance of women having somebody to look up to, women having somebody that they look at and say, I want to be like that one day.
And what started the rumors about the pregnancy was your picture, body language.
Yes.
Was that intentional, or were you? What was that about?
Well, I knew that when I came to the event today that I would look like this. So I just wanted to sort of put a teaser out there, you know, and share, I guess, in my body language earlier than when everybody arrived.
First time mother, how's that feeling?
Excited. I mean, I am going to celebrate Mother's Day next year completely differently to how I've ever celebrated it, especially with my mom no longer being around. It's going to be an exciting, I think, time in my life. It's scary because you don't know what to expect, but at the same time it's a whole new chapter.
So acting, any future projects, acting, singing, tell me about that.
Yes, I'm very excited about my acting career still. You know, it's still something I'm very passionate about, but I can't say much at the moment. But in the new year, after baby, early in the new year, I'm back at work.
Gail Mabalane is?
Gail Mabalane is a world changer.
Happiness is?
Happiness is a choice.
Contentment is?
Contentment is being happy with where you are at that moment.
South African women are?
South African women are the most beautiful women. Strong women.
My husband is?
My husband is the sexiest man alive. Can't say it any better.